Smiling with appeal.
Nakatalikod pa lang, mapapawaw ka na sa kurba.
Glamorous and sexy.
Isang tingin lang, tunaw ka na.
And they're preggy.
Tatlo sa pinaka-sexing magbuntis sa balat ng telebisyon ang kasama natin ngayon. Starstruck Original Ultimate Survivor 5 months on the mommy way, Jeneline Mercado. Sexy comedian and 4 months pregnant na si Alicia Mayer. Hot babe, Cherie. Ilang months? Ano ko, anytime soon, puputok na po si Mami.
Pwede ngayon.
Welcome to the show, mga buntis. How do these first-time preggies stay pretty even though they already have baby bumps sticking out? They will show you the many ways. Una, dapat ay may sapat na physical workout ka. Alam ko naman talaga na nakakatamad, lalo na pag malaki na yung tiyan mo, di ba? Pero,
at gusto mo na lang talaga
gusto mo na nakahiga ka, nakatunganga. Pero kailangan talagang bumangon. And one of the safest and best ways daw is through yoga. Di masyado nakakapagod, tama lang na muscle flexing. Happy ang yoga, di ba?
Yeah!
Nakakatulong pa sa pag-relax ng mind. Oo, para ituro ang special kind of yoga para sa mga buntis, tawagin natin si Miss Madeline Bertini of Pulse Yoga. Madeline, welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. Oh, there, you talk to her. She is English. Madeline, they say that there are different sets of exercises depending on which trimester the pregnant woman is in.
Yes. During the first 3 months, it's usually quite sensitive and you can feel sick and have all different kinds of alignments. But generally, it's also very individual. You have to see the woman, I mean, what kind of condition she is in. But generally, we say you can do most things. There's some contraindications, like no twists,
No twist.
no pressure on the stomach.
So can you show us a basic or the moves that they have to do? Jeneline and Alicia are on their second trimester? Early stages of the second trimester. So what poses are safe for them to do?
Okay. So let's
Girls, you can take your mind. You need this pillow.
Take off your shoes, please.
Madeline can join in on this kind of exercises.
You have to feel also, but you can join in.
You can join in. Miss Madeline, do you need this pillow?
Later.
Later.
Okay. So,
Malapit lang naman ang isabi niya.
we're going to come up to a kneeling position. So, palms under the shoulders.
Careful.
Separate your knees.
Separate knees. Careful,
And
girls.
feet in line with the knees. Okay? So, you can come a little bit closer with your palms to your knees.
Little bit closer daw. Ikaw, mapaanak ka dyan ba? Diretso yung back mo. Straight back?
Yeah, we start with a straight back.
Straight back ba?
So this is very good for massaging the spine. Yeah, and relieving back pain as well. So when we inhale, we look up, we arch the back.
Careful.
And exhale.
Very rin.
Curl into yourself. Inhale, look up. And exhale. Good. So now you sit with your legs straight.
Oh, careful. Let's go, mommy, careful.
Okay, so now we're gonna place the feet together. This is one of the best postures for pregnancy. It prepares, you get flexibility in the hips and the legs. So here we're gonna pretend we're reading a book. You turn the feet up and you straighten your back.
Oy, huwag mo na kayanin.
And you can flap your legs a little bit.
Flap your legs. And
Like a butterfly. And then you can also, if you can, I don't know if you can do this, but you others, you can cradle your baby.
Cradle your baby.
This helps to open up the hips. Yeah.
Try. Not the 9 months.
Tingnan mo, busog.
You might feel it.
Sabi ko nga, busog ka
And you do the other side also.
Ganyan ka lang.
Other side.
Other side.
Now, legs, you can just slightly. And stretch.
Madeline, you were saying this exercise that we're doing right now is safe to any stages.
As long as she's comfortable.
As long as comfortable. So yun po, sa lahat ng viewers natin, basta lang daw po komportable kayo, pwede nyong gawin
Huwag
ang exercise
pilitin
ito. Pero wag nyo rin hong pilitin ang sarili nyo at huwag madaliin.
Listen to your body. Pag medyo alanganin, don't risk it na.
Also, there is a hormone that gets released at the later stages of pregnancy that increases the flexibility.
Really?
Ah, really? I
Yes.
didn't know that.
So you might find that it's very easy to overextend yourself. So go gentle.
Go gentle.
Yeah, and
gentle.
just feel, just be aware of what you're doing. Okay, so now legs straight. This is very good if you have swollen ankles. You might have experienced that.
Yeah,
Yeah?
get cramps.
Okay, so sit straight, and then so we extend the toes out, and come in. So exhale out, and inhale back. So you coordinate the breath with the movement, yeah? Okay.
Okay.
That's the first exercise for ankle. Then there's a second one.
Oh, there's a second one.
Yeah. So you point the toes out, little toes out,
Friends sila. Hello.
and then in. Yeah. Little toes out, big toes towards yourself. How is it going?
Feels good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Miss Madeline.
Thank you, Madeline. Before we let you go, this is something that they can do to get back into shape after giving birth, right?
Yes. Normally, maybe it depends if you have a C-section. Then you should wait for some time.
6 months.
Still, you can do the ankle exercises and that kind of thing. But and also ask your doctor, and also 1 month afterwards you can start with gentle exercise.
Okay, thank you very
Thank you
much.
so Thank
Miss
you.
Madeline. They've had their workout. Next, it's time they relax and share with us the joys of pregnancy. We want to hear all about that, so stay with us. Whether it's planned or unplanned, most of us will agree that pregnancy is the greatest journey a woman can ever take. Correct! To motherhood.
Oo naman, te. Yun lang naman talaga. Oo naman doon. Ako na nga nung buntis ako kay Ashana, te, tsaka kay Isbetlana, te.
Magkaiba ba yung dalawang
Oo.
pagbubuntis mo?
Parang mas nahirapan ako doon sa pangalawa kaysa doon sa una.
Bakit?
Baka kasi nung first time, kasi excited ka, di ba? So, nung pangalawa, dahil alam mo na yung mga nangyayari.
Nung pangalawa, gulat ka kasi, te.
Tagan talaga ako, ha? Again? Ikaw, te, nahirapan ka?
Hindi ako nahirapan, kaya lang naalala ko, ang pangit ko. Puro ako pimples. Isa ako naglalakad na,
Parang pimple sa tinubuan ng
tagyawat. O parang pimple na tinubuan ng mukha. Di ba kinikwento ko sa'yo nung nagsimula dito yung pimple ko, naglagay ako ng bangs. Nung dumami, pinakapalan ko yung bangs para matago. Bumaba yung pimples. Hindi naman pwedeng takpan ko yung buong mukha ko ng bangs. Di ba? Kaya, ayun na, inano na lang, tiisin mo for 9 months.
Ay, naku, sigurado ang first time mommies na kasama natin ngayon and na-experience din ang sarap ng feeling na yan. Kaya, pagkwentuhan na natin yan, ha?
Okay, what's it like now? Are you enjoying?
Ako yan, nag-enjoy ako.
Nag-enjoy ka?